Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to download Snapchat Spotlight video without a watermark. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, let me show you what the issue is. When you open Snapchat, then if I go to the bottom right corner under the Spotlight section right over here, let's say I want to download this particular Spotlight. Right, so what we will do is we will tap on Save to Files. Now when I open the saved document, it appears as text. You can actually download without a watermark. First of all, we will come back to that particular screen. So once we are on this particular screen under the Share to method, just as we did earlier, we want to select the icon of WhatsApp. So go ahead and simply select the WhatsApp app. And over here, what you can do is you have to simply send this video to one of your WhatsApp friends. Once you select your WhatsApp, tap on the send button. Now, once you send this WhatsApp link right over here, you can see this exact same video. However, now if I go ahead and play this video, you can see that we do not have the watermark on the top. Now what you can do is on your phone, you could go ahead and screen record your video. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.